Hi guys, if Files app is missing from your iPhone, then here is the fix. First of all, swipe to the left and keep swiping up until you reach App Library. Now search Files in this and just long press on the Files app and drag it to any home screen and tap on Done. And the File app will be there. If it's still not there, then what you can do, you can just go to Settings and now just go to General and now scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now tap on Reset and now tap on Reset Home Screen Layout. Tap on Reset Home Screen again, and that's it. Now File app will be there in your iPhone. Thanks for watching.